Are you risking your small business with fatal tech mistakes? You may think you've got technology covered well enough, but ignoring some IT issues can be fatal. There are 7 areas that business owners too often underestimate. Number 1. The importance of protecting data and privacy. Number 2. The need for regular technology maintenance and software and security upgrades. Number 3. The value of getting the right IT solution the first time. Number 4. The very real risk of data loss. Number 5. The benefit of testing data backup instead of simply trusting it'll all be okay. Number 6. The advantage of making a long-term technology plan. And number 7. The frustration employees feel with outdated or ineffective technology. Tackling all of these can be overwhelming, especially for a small business. There's already so much to do. And IT may not be one of your core competencies. Okay, but did you know that over 90% of businesses that suffer an IT event of 10 days or more were bankrupt within the year? Don't risk the threat to your business that comes from overlooking key IT concerns. Our latest ebook outlines 7 fatal tech issues for small businesses. Technology is the lifeblood of business today. Avoid having to stem the bleeding from an IT disaster with the help of this informative ebook. Download using the link today.